Alright, I'm over at my dad's house in his breezeway. I thought it looked okay, but it is a little worse than I thought. Still not as bad, but you can tell he's got waves crashing in his backyard. Wind is probably blowing steady, about 30, maybe 40. It's pretty sloppy, pretty nasty. The way the waves are coming and the wind's blowing, it looks like it's pushing the tide even higher. It's nasty out, no doubt. Looks like he's got another tree down over there we didn't see. His dock not getting pounded. That is a pretty good gust there. That's probably about 50, maybe a little higher, who knows. But as you can see, it's pretty nasty out. Headed over to my sister's house, fire up the generator and check on Pop, and we'll take some more videos. I'm gonna let this thing run just a sec, just to see if we can get a good wind gust here. Give you an idea how hard it's blowing. Of course, the wind won't gust hard until I quit recording. Then it'll probably knock me over. Anyway, gotta run. I'll take another video shortly. See you.